Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will take an in-depth look at the Hyundai Elantra fuses in Fusebox location. Fuses. A vehicle's electrical system is protected from electrical overload damage by fuses. This vehicle has 2 or 3 fuse panels, one located in the driver's side panel bolster, and the other in the engine compartment near the battery. If any of your vehicle's lights, accessories or controls do not work, check the appropriate circuit fuse. If a fuse has blown, the element inside the fuse will be melted or broken. Instrument panel fuse replacement. Turn the vehicle off. Turn all other switches off. Open the fuse panel cover. Refer to the label on the inside of the fuse panel cover to locate the suspected fuse location. Pull the suspected fuse straight out. Use the removal tool provided in the engine compartment fuse panel. Check the removed fuse and replace it if it is blown. Spare fuses are provided in the engine compartment fuse panel. Push in a new fuse of the same rating, and make sure it fits tightly in the clips. If it fits loosely, consult an authorized Hyundai dealer. Engine compartment panel fuse replacement. Turn the engine off. Turn all other switches off. Remove the fuse panel cover by pressing the tap and pulling up. Check the removed fuse and replace it if it is blown. To remove or insert the fuse, use the fuse puller in the engine compartment fuse panel. Push in a new fuse of the same rating, and make sure it fits tightly in the clips. If it fits loosely, consult an authorized Hyundai dealer. Multi-fuse. Turn off the engine. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the fuse panel cover by pressing the tab and pulling it up. Remove the nuts shown in the picture above. Replace the fuse with a new one of the same rating. Reinstall in the reverse order of removal. Fuse relay panel description. Engine compartment fuse panel. We hope this video is informative for you, and if you like this video please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.